Got some greens. So this is my breakfast. Got 4 eggs, sardines, tomatoes, rucola with some pepper, salt and oregano. And some coffee. So I just came back from my morning swim and this will be my snack. Just a grapefruit. This will be probably my pre-workout. So I actually prepared this while I'm training. I'm still training right now. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but we will see. Got some potatoes with skin, beans, chicken, some butter, some curcumin, some rosemary and some salt. Gonna put this in the oven and it should be ready once I'm done with my workout. Because after my workout I have another client. So I hope it will work. We will see. So as you can see, it worked pretty well. The chicken is done right now and I put the potatoes back in the oven for like 2 to 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna eat all of this because I just finished an incredible workout, man. I did 85 kilo military press, 5 reps, 5 sets. Then I did 90 degree push-ups, 5 reps, 5 sets. Then I did weighted dips, 90 kilo, 5 reps, 4 sets. Then I did Bulgarian dips, 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. And then I did some rim push-ups, 10 reps, 3 sets. So I'm gonna eat all of this. So my next meal will be a green shake again. What is inside is banana, avocado, cucumber, celery, garlic, spinach, some baby leaves and watercress. That's it. You see this shit? Never take it. It's for sick people. Take the stairs, man. Move around anytime.
Kijk.
Maar wil je ook een stukje van brood?
Ja hoor. Is dat voor je video? Huh?
So this is probably my last meal. She's gonna take a handful of cashews. Like that. And a handful of dried apricots. High in vitamin C, magnesium, some other good shit. Yeah, that's just it.